Hey guys, my name is Ash and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at a creative RGB video light panel, and that is the Litemons C30R, which is the small guy here. Now it's small enough to fit in your pocket. It has a bunch of cool features, including a built-in battery, and it can be powered by a Type-C through a PD power bank as well. So let's open this up and see what we have here. The C30R is an RGB pocket light that is compact, powerful and color accurate. It also comes in a slightly cheaper bi-color version. The Litemons series offer great value as it is high quality, looks great and is available at affordable prices. It's designed especially for content creators and influencers. In the box, we get a replacement LED cover, we also get a silicone diffuser which you can use to get soft light that makes your content look more professional. And here is the stunning C30R. It has a low noise built-in fan and also cooling vents all around the housing. At the bottom we get a Type-C charging port as well as a 1/4 inch mounting point. To switch on, you just press the power button and rotate the wheel to unlock. The C30R has HSI, which features the full RGB color range as well as FX mode, so you can get really creative with your content. The C30R has a CCT range of 1800 to 10,000 Kelvin, whereas the C30 bicolor has a color range of 2800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. One of the cool features of this light is that you can control it via the Godox Light app. It can be paired by Bluetooth or NFC. Using the app allows you full creative control to fine-tune the lights to match your needs. And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.